Today my topic is my mother. My mother name is Shahira Banu. She is a district public health nurse. She is very lovely and beautiful person. Mother is a challenging word. My mother is the most special person for me. She is kind, caring, and full of love. She wakes up early in the morning and works hard every day. Her cooks is very tasty and delicious. Um, I have ever tasted. She helps me always and she supports me always. Whenever I feel sad, she hugs me and she makes me smile. She teaches me honest, kind, and respectful. She supports me in every situation. When she is tired, she never complains anymore. She always knows what's best for me. I feel safe and happy when I'm with her. Her love is like no other in the world. She is my role model and she is my best friend. I cannot live without my mother. My mother is the most expensive person in my life. She is my energy and she is my heaven. I love my mother a lot. Thanks a lot.